It's not centered at the origin. That's like the previous one that we're doing. And then they say that it passes through the point P, which has 5 and minus 5. And then from here onwards, this is the equation of a second. Now, A and P hasn't changed. They represent the center, the x coordinate of the center, the y coordinate of the center. So I'm going to take exactly the same equation and say, okay, but now we have x minus, what is our center? Because we need to be careful here. Which one are we going to use for A and P? Are we going to use P or are we going to use E? We use E again. And then it says that you are going to have minus 3 all squared plus. And then it says which one is going to be your, you say this A, this is P again. And then this says which Y is going to be actually 1 all squared, which is going to be actually R squared. Now the equation is not complete if it's like this. You still have to give us which one is going to be R squared. How then do you get R squared? You get R squared by saying, okay, instead of, we're going to use point P. According to point P, they say which you have 5 minus 3 all squared plus, and then it says which you have minus 5 minus 1 all squared, which is going to be equal to R squared. And then from here onwards, if you type this in your calculator, then you will have it's 5 minus 3 all squared plus minus 5 minus 1 all squared. And then it gives us 14. Now it says which R squared is going to be equal to 4. In other words, it means that you can come and erase here. Instead of you saying which is R squared, we are going to put what here? 4, not 40 degrees, 14. And then this is going to be the equation. This is the equation of the circle here.